will you please put your hands together and welcome Ashley Jessen, the COO of Trading Club Copy Trading Service.
All right, thank you. How's the entree? Looks very delicious. Well, ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders and distinguished guests, I have a confession to make. Over the years, I've developed a bit of an obsession, and no, I haven't been using fortune cookies to make my trading decisions, though I won't lie, I've definitely been tempted. My fixation has always been on smart and strategic solutions in trading, or better yet, innovative ways to make my trading life more automated and, yes, a whole lot easier. And I'm sure that mindset has been shared with many of you here today. Most traders are on a quest for an easier path in a complex world of global markets. Now, let me take you back to 2005. There was a year when a group of friends and I, we actually started trading and copying or subscribing to Forex trading signals. It did feel revolutionary at the time. We paid $200 a month, and a professional team of traders, possibly, we don't know, a professional team of traders would send us their best back-tested and best performing trading signals. And you know what? It actually worked out okay for the first 6 months. Fast forward to the last couple of years, I dived headfirst into automated trading using trading robots. No doubt a few of you have been in on that as well. And oh boy, if I had to describe it, I would call it a wild roller coaster ride. There's exhilarating highs, there's dropping to the depths and twists and turns you would never see coming. Has anyone here ever heard of the term Martingale? I know a few of you at the back have. So in preparing for this presentation, I chose to adopt the perspective of someone who understands automated trading strategies and copy trading, but has never acted on that knowledge. So who do you think I turn to in this digital age? ChatGPT, of course. Let's jump into the video.
I really want to get into trading, but honestly, I don't have the time, and I'm definitely on the lazy side.
The classic time and laziness conundrum. The beauty of modern technology is that it's basically a buffet for the time-starved and the comfort-loving. If only there were a way to trade effectively while you're binge-watching your favorite series.
Exactly. And I want to trade global markets but still have a life. Can you help me find a solution to trade global markets while not being glued to the monitor 24/7?
Well, I can't promise magic, but what if I told you there's something almost as enchanting that will trade for you around the clock? Ever heard of copy trading?
Copy trading. Are you sure that will provide opportunity without spending hours in front of the PC?
Copy trading is like cloning the trading smarts of dedicated traders around the globe and making their moves your move. No brain power or screen watching on your part required.
Interesting. But what about effort? I really want to earn without lifting a finger. Can I make it any more automated?
Your trading is as automated as a Roomba vacuuming your floors. You just hit the start button on your copy trading platform and voila! It follows the trading patterns of your favorite traders while you work on perfecting the art of being you.
But I don't want to pay these pros too much. I mean, I like experts and all, but my wallet doesn't need to go on a diet.
Fair enough. With copy trading, you're not hiring the experts. You're mirroring their trades. Think of it like streaming a movie. You get the entertainment without having to pay the actor's salary.
All right, this sounds like it could work for me. So, where can I find this trading utopia?
Well, look no further. Trading Cup has brewed up the perfect blend with our new copy trading platform. It's like having a personal trading barista crafting the perfect investment espresso, tailored just for you.
Okay, Kylie, would you say the Ausbiz team are threatened by any of the ChatGPT? No, maybe not, huh? All your jobs are safe in the world of finance, Luca, Mike Moran. My name is Jessen, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at ACY Securities, and it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to ACY's new copy trading solution for smart traders. Over the past couple of years, the team and I have been researching all the best copy trading solutions for ACY, and more importantly, for our clients. And let me tell you, it was like trying to find the perfectly ripe avocado at Woolies. It's a near impossible task. So, what do you do when you scour the market and can't find a solution for your needs? That's right, you build your own. And that's what we have done at ACY with the Zero Logics team. We strategically mapped out all the features we wanted in our copy trading platform, and our development team went to work. Now let's talk about our pride and joy, which we've been seeing on the screen, the Trading Cup Contest. The Trading Cup Contest has been the industry leader since 2018, flaunting up to $1 million in prize money to locate the best traders across the globe. That gentleman did actually make $197,000 in profit to win that prize. Well done to Rehad. It's been an international talent show for traders, but minus the buzzers and celebrity judges. Our judges, are they Jimmy and Winston? Maybe they could be Jimmy and Winston. Drawing from this wealth of experience and hindsight, we crafted our state-of-the-art trading solution. Picture this. Over the years, we've seen more than $44 million of invested funds and over 3,100 trading signals. That's just not numbers. It's a collection of market intelligence and trading expertise. Enter our latest brainchild, Jimmy mentioned it. It's our Money Manager Ranking, or MMR for short. This ingenious formula, concocted by Peter Pan, somewhere in the audience here tonight, isn't your average popularity contest. It ranks traders based on 10 critical factors, zeroing in on the best risk-adjusted returns. That's why you'll never see anyone with 1,000+% at the top of our leaderboard. So we've got over 200 traders who have been in the game for over a year, each with their own MMR ranking. So ladies and gentlemen, what we have here isn't just another copy trading platform. It's the culmination of years of market expertise, trader insights, and a relentless pursuit of excellence in trading. Welcome to the future of smart trading with ACY's new copy trading solution. Now I'm going to make a bet here, and hopefully it's going to be better than my Melbourne Cup bet earlier this month. Did anyone have a win? Maybe it's your shout. I'm extremely confident 100% of you in the room here tonight have heard of copy trading and other forms of automated trading. It's nothing new, but my guess is that less than 15% of you in this room are actively using copy trading or some form of trading automation in your trading strategies today. Surprising, isn't it? Copy trading has literally been on the scene since 2005. We're talking about a solid 18 years, and the trend is still going strong. It's not some flash in the pan. And in that time, the industry has definitely matured, providing more transparency to those who wish to take advantage of some of the best traders globally. Some of you will be here tonight, hopefully. So why are so few traders using copy-traded and automated trading tools? Well, we've been chatting with traders, both seasoned and new, to understand what's been holding them back from embracing these trading tools. The answers have been as varied as the markets themselves, but we've managed to narrow it down to the 6 reasons you see on the screen here. Now, while these reasons are significant, there are 2 that really stand out. And believe me, they're as relevant today as they were back in 2003, a time when I was coaching traders on creating, testing, and implementing mechanical trading systems. Let's consider the first reason. Most of you have likely lost some money, I won't get you to raise your hands, when you first started copy trading or traded with automated systems. No, you can seriously put your hands down if you've lost money. It's like that first pancake you make. It never turns out perfect. And as a father of 3 girls growing up, I did make a lot of pancakes. The second reason, well, it's all about drawdowns. You started using a system and it was going smoothly, and then bam, sudden huge drawdowns hit, scaring the pants off you. I'm sure no one here has had that experience, especially for those who managed to pick up a Martingale trading system or 2. I'm sure you know what I mean. These reasons are not just statistics. They're real experiences, real money, and real emotions. This is why in the development of our Trading Cup copy trading solution and our MMR ranking, we've taken these concerns into heart, crafting a system that not only learns from the past, but is built for the future, your future. So let's dive into some of the most exciting statistics in the world of trading automation. Because let's be real, if you're not leveraging trading automation in your trading in 2024, I know it's only 2023, but from next year and beyond, if you're not doing that, you're missing out on more than just a few opportunities. You could be missing out on the entire gold rush. And I think Luca might tell us that there's a commodities super cycle coming, so don't want to miss out on that gold rush. First up, let's talk about Jim Simons. What a legend. You might know him as one of the most successful fund managers. His brainchild, the Medallion fund, it isn't just a fund, it's the Iron Man of trading funds. This marvel of finance has been utilising 500,000 lines of code, harnessing the brain power of over 200 PhDs and leveraging trading automation for over 30 years. The result? Over 66% average return. That's not just not beating the market, that's playing a whole different game. Moving on, let's cast our eyes to the FX market. Back in 2019, about 70% of FX trades and volume was executed via algo trading. Fast forward to today, and the stats suggest a staggering 90% of traders are using automated trading strategies. It's not just a trend, it literally has become the norm. A survey by Finance Magnets throws up another intriguing number. 41% of retail traders within our CFD and Forex space are now incorporating copy trading as part of their portfolio. That's almost half the market tapping into the collective intelligence of seasoned traders. And if you think that's impressive, get this, 80% of stocks in the US market are traded using automated strategies. That's right, 80%. Automation in trading is no longer just an option, it's becoming the backbone of successful trading strategies. Now, as we shift gears to our next slide, let's get a bit of a reality check. Thanks to Ed for these next generation images on the screen. It's time to set some things straight about the world of trading, particularly when it comes to copy trading and automated systems. First and foremost, let's bury the myth of the one magical system or the one infallible trader. If you're on a quest to find that mythical creature that wins every day, you might as well be searching for unicorns in your backyard. And as I said, I do have 3 girls, and when they were younger, we probably did search for a few unicorns in the backyard. Now, the truth is, there are no systems or traders that win every day. It's like expecting to hit a hole-in-one on every par 3 you play. Has anyone here had a hole-in-one? Come on, Lenny, I knew it. Showing off. And of course, drawdowns, that's the next one. So drawdowns are very tough. They're much a part of trading as the waves are to the ocean. It's the ebb and flow, the highs and lows. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, do not, and I mean do not expect a money printing machine. Copy trading and automation are tools. They're powerful, yes, but they require realistic expectations, understanding, and smart decision making. All right, moving on to an absolutely critical aspect of smart trading, creating a portfolio of uncorrelated systems. Not getting too technical, but it's worth talking to someone if you're not sure about it. When we talk about diversifying your trading approach, it's not just about picking different markets to trade, it's about copying different types of trading methods. When building a smart portfolio of copy trading signals that has the potential to generate a smooth equity curve, consider a combination of trading methods matched with the various markets to trade. By having a portfolio that includes a mix of different trading methods and markets, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're building a robust, adaptable suite of trading strategies that can stand the test of various market conditions. So the takeaway here is clear. Diversify, but do so intelligently. Okay, and you're no doubt aware of the many pitfalls of putting all your eggs in one basket. Or in our case, if you're relying on just one trading system to copy. While simplicity does have its charm, when it comes to the dynamic world of trading, this approach can sometimes lead you down a slippery slope of negative returns for weeks or even months. Dipping your toe in the water and choosing to copy just one person can lead to over-reliance, which can in turn result in significant losses if that system fails to perform. Instead, creating a portfolio of uncorrelated trading strategies in copy trading is about building resilience, flexibility, and breadth in your trading approach. It's a strategic move to hedge against market uncertainty with less ups and downs and a focus on a smooth equity curve. Building on the concept of creating a portfolio of uncorrelated strategies in copy trading, let's now visualize what that diversification could look like, especially in relation to your account size. Okay, if you're starting with a smaller account size, the key is not to put all your eggs in one basket, but you don't want to spread yourself too thin. A practical approach would be to consider incorporating 3 or more strategies in your portfolio. Okay, if you're operating a medium-sized account, you have more room to diversify, so maybe consider 6 to 8 strategies, as that will probably be beneficial for the overall smooth equity curve. This range allows you to explore a broader spectrum of trading methods and market scenarios, providing a more substantial cushion against market volatility and market shifts. And for those who are lucky enough to have larger account balances, the possibilities for diversification expand even further. Here you might want to consider 12 or more strategies in your portfolio. All right, so it goes without saying, smart traders are customizing automated portfolios. So consider the image on the slide here. Not sure if everyone can see it from down the back, but the equity curve starts off a little rough and then it transitions into a smooth equity curve, which is what we're all after. Especially if you're copying just one signal, this is very, very common on the left-hand side. But then observe the transformation, it does smooth out, becoming more stable and more predictable. This is not just a visual representation, it's the embodiment of what we've discussed today. Trading using a portfolio of uncorrelated copy trading systems. So as you leave here tonight, remember this, the era of single strategy trading is fading into the sunset. The future belongs to you, the architects of these mini hedge funds. And I want you to think about it as a mini hedge fund for your own portfolio. However, you don't need 500,000 lines of code like Jim Simons, but you want to copy his mindset of multiple strategies into your mini version of his successful hedge fund. Thank you.